Hey all, it's me again, Jackie. Coming to you as my last video diary for today. Today was a good day for me. Started off well, ending well. It's about 5:45 in the afternoon. In the evening, sorry. Getting my kids ready for school. Husband just walked in the house, so I'm gonna go enjoy and spend the rest of my night with him and kind of relax and let go. So today I spent my day. I went for a 3-hour walk, and that was pretty interesting and fun. First time doing that. Walked pretty damn far, but okay. Hopefully I can get to do it again tomorrow with my baby. Um, Came home and sat and talked with a new neighbor I've just met who lives in our community. And my 1-year-old got into some moisturizer. Guess he thought it'd be okay for him to moisturize his legs or something. Telling me that mommy doesn't do a good job. Oh well. Um, so yeah, I think I'm just gonna do good all by my lonesome and have a good day. So I will see you guys tomorrow at a time in the morning. And I hope everyone has a blessed night out there. So good night.